Oh my God, like this is one of my exciting moments when it's spring and summer. Look at how beautiful. Just look at the flowers. Oh my God. It's glowing like everything. Look at the skin is skinny, guys. So we're just taking a walk around the neighborhood and yeah. So let me just move you guys around. So that's my neighborhood, quiet neighborhood.
Yes, very quiet.
And I love it. I love it over here.
We're gonna miss it when we move out. And
Right, yeah. Such a beautiful neighborhood.
Private communities.
Ooh. Okay.
The only thing I don't want to deal with is dead people.